In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close all open documents in Affinity Photo 2 with keyboard shortcuts. If you often find yourself with a pile of files open in Affinity Photo 2, there's a quick way to tidy up without clicking through each tab. The key is knowing the two shortcuts that control what closes, all documents at once or just the one you're working on. To close every open document in one move, use Ctrl plus Alt plus W on Windows or Linux. On Mac OS, use Command plus Alt plus W. On some keyboards, the Alt key on a Mac may be labeled Option, but it functions the same way for this shortcut. The moment you press this combination, Affinity Photo 2 will start closing all open documents. If you have unsaved work in any of them, you'll see prompts asking whether to save, discard, or cancel. Take a second to review those messages so you don't accidentally lose changes you meant to keep. If you only want to close the document that's currently active, use Ctrl plus W on Windows or Linux, or Command plus W on Mac OS. This is perfect when you're done with one file, but want to keep working on others. If that single document happens to be the last one open, Affinity Photo 2 will exit once it closes. That's expected behavior, and it's a helpful cue that you've cleared your workspace. Here's a quick way to think about it. The version with Alt closes all open documents. The version without Alt closes just the current document. Once you build that distinction into your muscle memory, managing your open files becomes fast and reliable. A few practical tips as you use these shortcuts. If you're in the middle of edits, it's a good habit to save before closing, especially when you plan to close all at once. That way, you can move through any confirmation prompts with confidence. Also, keep an eye on the app window after using Command or Ctrl plus W. If the app disappears, that simply means you closed the last remaining document and Affinity Photo 2 exited normally. These shortcuts are designed to be efficient, and they work the same across projects, tabs, and windows within the app. Try them a few times to get comfortable, and you'll find they quickly become second nature. That's all you need to take control of open documents in Affinity Photo 2. Use Ctrl or Command plus W to close the current file, and add Alt to close them all. Simple, fast, and clean.